What can teachers do to stop students relying too much on AI?
Leo Fen.
Teachers should not ban AI completely, but they should check the steps students take to complete their work. They can give students some work to do in class, ask them to report any AI use and list their sources, and do short oral checks. For example, a student could hand in a history essay with an outline and a revision log, then give a 2-minute oral explanation. These steps help teachers see if students really understand the subject without banning useful technology.
Leo Dion Wu Fen.
Teachers should not ban AI completely, but they should check how students complete their work. They can use process-based assessment, include some in-class work, and ask students to disclose the sources and AI tools they used. For example, a student could submit a history essay with an outline and a revision log, followed by a 2-minute oral explanation. These brief oral checks help teachers verify genuine learning and discourage students from relying too heavily on AI.
Chu Fen.
Teachers should not ban AI completely because students need to learn how to use it responsibly rather than simply avoid it. Instead, teachers could use process-based assessment by asking students to submit outlines and drafts so they can see how each student's ideas develop. Some important work should also be completed in class, where students have to rely on their own understanding. Whenever they use AI, students should disclose it and name their sources, and teachers could use brief oral checks to confirm that the work reflects genuine learning. For example, a student could submit a history essay with an outline and a revision log, and then give a 2-minute oral explanation of the main argument.
Padian Wu Fen.
I do not think teachers should ban AI outright. A more realistic goal is to hold students accountable for how they use it. They can shift towards process-based assessment, requiring outlines, drafts, and revision notes so that the development of an argument is visible rather than hidden behind a polished final submission. They should also reserve some substantial work for the classroom and require students to disclose any AI assistance and the sources they consulted. Brief oral checks are equally useful because students who genuinely understand their work should be able to explain and defend their reasoning in their own words. For instance, a student could submit a history essay with an outline and a revision log, and then give a 2-minute oral explanation defending the central argument.
更多Yes内容都在我的主页。
Practice every day. Keep speaking.